Thank you very much. The next program, as stipulated here, is Odissi dance presentation by students of Vaishali Kala Kendra. This is direction and choreography by Mrs. Jyoti Srivastava. May I call upon them, please? As Fida. Fida means what? Admirations. To fall for somebody. That is what Fida is all about. This program, that is what we are telling you. Please come and join us. If you have already not pledged, there was some signature campaign that we were doing. Please go and sign yourself saying that yes, we are going to pledge to save water, rainwater harvesting. We will do the best for this country. India is my country. I am proud of India. I am proud to be an Indian. That's what our message is to everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Are the group ready here? Okay. Can you come onto the stage, please? Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, put in your hands for Odissi dance presentation by students of Vaishali Kala Kendra. Thank you so much.
If we are rooted to our culture, to our tradition, and it is the topic of our presentation. Tonight, we, the students of Vaishali Kala Kendra, are going to perform an Odissi recital. Our first item is Vasant Pallavi. It is a pure dance item in which a rag is elaborated through eye movement, body postures, and intricate footwork. Pallavi literally means blossoming. It starts with slow, graceful, and lyrical movement of eyes, neck, torso, and feet, which slowly reaches to climax in a fast tempo at the end. This piece of item is based on Rag Basant and Tal Ek Tali, presenting Vasant Pallavi.
And Abhinay, which is one of the favorite of our Guru, late Guru Srinath Raut. In this Abhinay, the gopis and the Krishna are conversing, and the little Krishna is the playful Krishna is playing with the gopis, and this is the presentation.
God who took various forms to destroy evil and save creation is the focus of our next item. The dancer portray 10 incarnations of Lord Vishnu, describing his divine attribution and present them. These 10 incarnations are Matsya, Kachap, Varaha, Narsimha, Vaman, Parshuram, Ram, Haldhar, Buddha and Kalki, presenting Dashavatar.
वेदानु धरते जगन्नी बहते भूगलमुद्भिभ्रते दैत्यं बलिं छलयते क्षत्रक्षयं पूर्वते पौलस्तं जयते हलं कलयते अरुणं मतान्मदे दशाकृति कृते कृष्णाय तुभ्यं नमः कृष्णाय तुभ्यं नमः कृष्णाय तुभ्यं नमः पावनं केशवाधीता वामनरूपा जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे क्षत्रिय दुधिर मये यावत भगत भागं स्थापय शिपयति समित भावं केशवाधीतं मृगपतिरूपं जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे शिविक्षोरणे दिक्पाति कमनीयं दशमुखमौलि बलिरमणीयं केशवधीत राम शरीर जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे शरीर जय जगदीश हरे ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानं अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां।
Ladies and gentlemen, that was Odissi dance presentation by students of Vaishali Kala Kendra, direction and choreography by Mrs. Jyoti Srivastava. May I call upon all the students to come in front of the stage here so that they can set the next program arrangements here. आप लोग नीचे program a great hit and success. That's none other than Mr. Swaminathan. Please give him a very big hand, please. Mr. Swaminathan, please come onto the stage. Thank you very much. Can I call upon all the students to come and receive the memento from Mr. Swaminathan? Please. Thank you very much. Would you like to take the name yourself? Introduce yourself, please.
I'm Aditi.
Aditi. Aditi.
Pankhuri Srivastav.
Pankuri Srivastav.
Akriti.
Akriti. Ladies and gentlemen, give them a big applause, please.
Anvita Nagpal.
Amrita Nagpal.
Sumana Basu.
Sumana Basu.
Nikita V. Hegde.
Nikita?
V. Hegde.
Nikita Hegde.
Mahima Gupta.
Mahima Gupta. Ladies and gentlemen, give them a very big hand. That was fantastic performance of Odissi dance presentation. The Guru, Mrs. Jyoti Srivastava. Can I call her on the stage, please? Okay. There she is. Okay. Sorry for that. I should have started with that. That is the Guru. Please, ladies and gentlemen, give her a very big hand. We all know how difficult it is to control these kind of wonderful children, of course. But then the choreography, the dance, the students' behavior, the discipline, everything cannot be done by anybody else but the one and the only Guru. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Mr. Swaminathan and Mr. Krish, to inviting us for such a beautiful festival. We enjoyed it. And especially this temple makes so energetic ambience here. We were in Kerala last year, and I find like we are in Kerala now. It's so beautiful. I just have a small correction. These are not my choreographies. This is all my guru's choreography. I have only taught them, and all of them, it's very good dancers, as you've seen. And the most important part, today we prepared just 2 items, and first one and the last one. And when I reached here, you said, do it for more. So these children, just within a minute, they decided to do the second item. And I was surprised to see them. All of them were very good. Thank you so much for doing such a wonderful performance. Thank you again.